Welcome back to Profitify, your indispensable resource for tips and tricks to boost your income. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of earning money without any skills or investment. That's right, we're about to reveal the secrets to padding your wallet with minimal effort and zero upfront costs. So buckle up for a journey into the world of effortless income generation. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Making money without any skills or investment isn't just a pipe dream. It's a reality that's easier to achieve than you might think. Here are some foolproof methods that you can start implementing today. First up, online surveys. Ever wonder where companies get their customer feedback from? They pay for it. All you need is a device and some free time. Register on reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Taluna, or Inbox Dollars. Complete surveys, earn points or cash, and redeem them for gift cards or PayPal payouts. It's as simple and easy as it sounds. Next on the list, freelancing odd jobs. If you're a doer, this one's for you. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit help freelancers connect with people who need tasks done. From data entry and virtual assistants to graphic design, there's a job for everyone. You can set your own rates and work at your own pace. Plus, you learn as you earn. No prior skills needed. Lastly, selling stock photos. If you're a photography enthusiast with a smartphone or camera, your hobby could be your gold mine. Sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock Photo. You don't need to be a professional, just have an eye for capturing interesting scenes, objects, or people. Your images could be just what a business or creator needs for their next project. So start clicking and cashing in. So, there you have it. 3 simple ways to earn money without any skills or investment. Perfect for anyone looking to make some extra cash on the side or start a new income stream. The key is to take action and seize opportunities. So why wait? Start profiting today. If you found this video helpful, don't hold back on that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Profitify for more money-making tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, here's to happy profiting.